The pyramids of ancient Egypt are among the most impressive structures in human history. Most notably, the Great Pyramid of Khufu at Giza, built over 4,500 years ago, still amazes us with its precision and scale. But how exactly did the ancient Egyptians manage to construct such massive monuments without modern technology? Recent scientific research has greatly advanced our understanding of the process. First of all, the popular myth that the pyramids were built by slaves is no longer supported by evidence. Archaeological discoveries, including workers' villages, burial sites, and food supplies, indicate that the builders were skilled laborers, organized into rotating teams, well-fed and well-cared for. The primary building material was limestone, quarried nearby and transported to the construction site. Heavier granite blocks, used for internal chambers, came from Aswan, hundreds of kilometers upriver. These were floated down the Nile on special barges, taking advantage of the seasonal floods to approach the site as closely as possible. The most debated question is how such massive stones were lifted and positioned. The most widely accepted theory today involves the use of ramp systems. As the pyramid rose in height, workers built inclined ramps made of mud brick, sand, and rubble. Stones were hauled up these ramps on sleds using manpower. Recent discoveries, such as a transport system found in the Wadi El Jarf harbor, reveal that Egyptians employed simple but effective technologies, wooden sledges, ropes, and even lubricants to reduce friction. The planning was also incredibly precise. The Great Pyramid is aligned with the cardinal directions with astonishing accuracy. Scholars believe this was achieved through astronomical observations, possibly using the stars, such as Polaris, or the shadow of the sun at specific times of day. It's estimated that between 20,000 and 30,000 people worked on the pyramid, but not all at once. Labor was organized in shifts. This was a massive logistical undertaking, comparable to modern mega-projects, but without machines. Archaeological findings confirm a high level of engineering knowledge, resource management, and social organization. In the end, the pyramids were not built with mystical powers or alien help, but by the sheer ingenuity and determination of human civilization, guided by faith, knowledge, and extraordinary coordination.